in business. My name's Paul from Dressel Divers here in a sunny Playa del Carmen. I'd just like to assure everyone we've still got the same great dives, the same great service, with a few small changes.
Here at Dressel Divers, we take our responsibility to your continued safety very seriously. With this in mind, we've introduced some new procedures to get us through these difficult times. These include a thorough disinfection twice daily of all areas of the diving centre, including classrooms, the equipment room, rental equipment, and even our transportation for our cenotes and Cozumel excursions. Signs have been placed around the diving centres to ensure a safe distance. We also provide hand sanitizer for all of our clients in all areas of the diving centre. All classroom sessions will be conducted with a reduced capacity to ensure a good social distance. Mouth covers are mandatory during these times. All our equipment rentals are thoroughly disinfected twice daily. Mouthpieces, masks, and snorkels will be disinfected one more time shortly before you receive your equipment. Or if you prefer a new one, just ask. There's a new piece of required equipment for the briefing. Bring your face mask. All boats will be thoroughly disinfected before and after every single dive. We've reduced the capacity, so relax and enjoy the space. Before boarding, you'll be offered hand sanitizer. We'll have sanitized floor mats, and you'll be reminded to keep socially distant. Remember guys, in this case, X does not mark the spot. After this little rest, all our reefs are in great shape, and all the local residents are waiting for your return. Don't forget, rinse tanks will be emptied after each dive. Worried you won't be able to enjoy your favourite water sports? Well, don't. We've got you covered, with a thorough disinfection and cleaning regimen for all of the equipment available for use. Dressel Divers is proud to use Sanosil, the world's #1 disinfectant to fight the coronavirus.